How much can you really deposit on Uphold? Are there hidden limits, or is it a free-for-all when it comes to funding your account? If you've ever wondered about the ins and outs of depositing funds into your Uphold account, you're in the right place. We're about to demystify Uphold's deposit limits, exploring the factors that influence them and how you can optimize your funding experience. Before we dive into the specifics, let's understand why deposit limits exist in the first place. Financial platforms like Uphold operate under strict regulatory guidelines designed to combat money laundering, fraud, and other illicit activities. These regulations often mandate Know Your Customer, KYC, and anti-money laundering, AML, procedures, which include setting transaction limits based on a user's verification level. Think of it as a balancing act. Uphold wants to make it easy for you to use their platform, but they also have a responsibility to maintain a secure and compliant environment. So, what are the actual deposit limits on Uphold? This isn't a one-size-fits-all answer, as your specific limits will depend on several key factors. Firstly, and most crucially, your verification level plays a significant role. Uphold, like many other financial services, has different tiers of verification. When you first sign up, you might have basic unverified limits. As you provide more information and complete higher levels of identity verification, e.g., submitting ID documents, proof of address, your deposit limits will progressively increase. This is a standard practice across the financial industry, and it's designed to protect both you and the platform. Secondly, the deposit method you choose can impact your limits. For instance, depositing via bank transfer, ACH/SEPA, might have different limits compared to depositing with a debit card or credit card. Cryptocurrency deposits also have their own set of considerations. Generally, bank transfers tend to have higher limits due to the inherent traceability and security of the method. Debit and credit card deposits, while convenient, often have lower limits to mitigate fraud risks. Thirdly, your account history and standing can subtly influence your limits over time. Long-term users with a positive transaction history and no flags for suspicious activity might experience more flexibility. While Uphold doesn't explicitly state this as a direct factor for published limits, a good track record can contribute to overall trust and potentially smoother transactions. Let's talk about some general ranges, keeping in mind these are subject to change and depend heavily on your verification. For newly verified accounts, you might see daily deposit limits in the range of a few $1,000s, with monthly limits reaching tens of thousands. As you move to higher verification tiers, these limits can extend significantly, potentially reaching hundreds of thousands or even more for institutional or high-volume users who have undergone rigorous due diligence. It's important to always check the most up-to-date limits directly within your Uphold account or on their official support pages, as these figures are dynamic and can be adjusted based on regulatory changes or internal policies. Now, how can you maximize your deposit capabilities on Uphold? The most straightforward answer is to complete the highest level of identity verification possible. This usually involves providing your full legal name, date of birth, address, and submitting government-issued identification and potentially proof of residency. The more information you provide and the more thoroughly your identity is verified, the higher your limits will be. Another tip is to consider using bank transfers for larger deposits. While they might take a bit longer to clear than card payments, they generally come with more generous limits. Also, always ensure your linked bank account information is accurate to avoid any delays or rejections. Lastly, be mindful of any daily or monthly rolling limits. Even if your overall limit is high, you might hit a daily cap that resets every 24 hours. Plan your deposits accordingly to avoid any inconvenience. Understanding Uphold's deposit limits is crucial for a smooth and efficient experience on the platform. By recognizing the role of verification, deposit methods, and account history, you can navigate your funding options effectively and make the most of what Uphold has to offer. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.